Hi guys, so I'm heading out right now just to shoot a few videos to demonstrate the low light performance or the low light capability of the DJI Pocket 2. As you can see, it's just after sunset, which is blue hour. Look at the beautiful sky at the back. So I'm going to shoot a few clips in full HD and 4K, or at 24 frames per second. Everything on auto in high quality mode, just to show you how this little gimbal camera performs. Hi guys, so this is the low light test of the DJI Pocket 2. Right now it's about 5:30, so it's just after sunset. As you can see from the sky, it's got nice blue color. So what I'm doing right now is just a brief walk around our house and showing you the low light capability of this new DJI Pocket 2. So right now I'm shooting at 1080p at 24 frames per second. So I'm just casually walking along the path. So this also shows you like how the sound has improved, hopefully, compared to the version 1. So right now I'm shooting at 4K at 24 frames per second. Everything is auto right now, using the default color profile. I'm just walking casually without any ninja walk whatsoever. Hopefully this will show you how this new DJI Pocket 2 performs. One thing to mention is that I'm shooting at high quality mode. So I've just finished shooting some low light samples just to show you guys how this performs. Hopefully it will be useful. So right now I'm currently being lit just by the street light, and as you can see from the background, it's just after sunset, so it's blue hour. It's actually quite good in terms of the performance compared to the very first version because of the slightly bigger sensor and also larger aperture. I think the previous one was f2. And this one is like f1.8. From what I can see right now, it seems to be pretty good, and it's very, very windy now, so I'm not sure how the audio is going to turn out to be. Hopefully it should show you like what sort of improvement or how good the audio performs under windy condition. So thank you very much. Hope you find this useful. Bye.